Welcome to Weird Wild Pizza, where we make weird pizza with wild dough from sourdough starter. I'm your host, Papa Za. Check below for our wild pizza dough recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Today we have a very special edition. We're going to attempt to bake a 1,000 pepperoni pizza. Yes, 1,000 pepperonis for our first 1,000 YouTube subscribers at Weird Wild Pizza. If you're wondering, hey, Papa Za, what does 1,000 pieces of pepperoni even look like? Well, not quite 1,000. Not quite. Almost there. This is about 1,000 pieces of pepperoni. Don't worry, we're gonna count them just to make sure. This is about 8 pounds of pepperoni that we're gonna put on a pizza. I think we've lost our minds. I don't know if this is gonna work. We're still gonna try it. First, you wanna line some baking pans with some tin foil. Safety first. When you bake 1,000 of anything, we advise you to line your oven with tin foil covered baking sheets for drip pan action. And having a fire extinguisher nearby is not a bad idea either. Fingers crossed. Now preheat the oven to 550 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. Mozzarella. Flour. All right, let's roll our dough. Your pizza peel. Flour that nicely. Slide dough under peel. Add 1 cup tomato sauce. Add 2 cups of mozzarella cheese. All right, now 1,000 pepperonis. What have we done? Let's see if we can even do this. Okay, step 1. Get a little bit of movement between the pizza and the pizza peel. We got some movement. Okay, let's try this out. One 1,000 pepperoni pizza. Woo! 8 pounds per pizza. 1 pound per slice. That is wild. try it out. It's a lot of pizza.
What?
A pepperoni pizza. Locked, loaded, full of the pep. There we go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Weird Wild Pizza.